check this out. This thing looks so sick. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of CA Builds. If you guys are new here, hit the subscribe button, turn your guys' post notifications on so you guys don't miss out on anything. Today we're back on our Nissan 370Z. It's finally back from the paint shop and it's looking absolutely amazing. We got the whole front end painted. If you haven't seen the previous videos, go check them out. This thing was wrecked in the front. We already assembled everything, got everything painted. And today it's time to put the whole front end together. Put on the headlights, put on the bumper, make it look brand new again. Hopefully by the end of this video, it should be all done. Let me show you guys a little more. Here we got our headlights, got these things clear coated so they look brand new again. This one right here is chipped off. There's a little piece that's missing here, so I'm not sure what we're gonna do here. I'm gonna put it on, see how the gaps are and see how bad it looks over there. If it does look bad, then I will order a new one. And here's our bumper. The whole thing got repainted. Still got some tape over here that we'll have to take off. And I ordered a lip for it. So when the lip comes, we'll put it on. It's gonna look pretty sick. And here's the car. So this fender over here got blended. The hood got painted over here. This fender got painted and we blended the door because I didn't want to cut it off over here because you'll see the color difference. But the paint is really nice. Everything turned out perfect. There's a little spot right here that we'll take care of later. It's looking really good though. And today, one buddy of mine is actually gonna come and detail the interior because this thing is just filthy. We have mold everywhere. I would do it myself, but man, this mold, I really don't wanna mess with it. He's the pro, so he'll come do it. Check this out. I'll show you guys before and after. Mold over there on the seats, carpets. I've never had a car that came this dirty. I think the windows were open at the auction. Rain and everything just got in here. Look at the steering wheel and everything. And it's just filthy. It's super dirty, so he'll come clean it out. That's gonna look brand new. Well, almost new. And then we'll start working on the front end, assemble everything here, and see how much we can get done. There's detail guys here. Let's see how it's turning out. It's actually looking pretty good. Alright guys, while he's cleaning the interior, I'll start putting together the front end. I think I'll start with the headlights. I'll put those on and then see where we go from there. Maybe do the fender liners on both sides and then do the bumper. I want to give you guys a little update before it gets completely dark here, but let's go with the interior first. So he got most of the interior done. He didn't have enough time, so he's gonna come back tomorrow, do the back over there and the trunk. But check this out, it's super clean. These seats are messed up a little bit over here. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do there, but other than that, everything basically washed out. No more mold anywhere. Look over here. Camera quality is not as good. I'll show you guys a little more tomorrow. Let's go on the other side. Look over here. Everything's nice and clean. I pretty much got the headlights on. This one over here is sitting perfectly. Oh, I still have to pick up this side a little bit. And then I'm still messing with this headlight over here. It's a little pain to get this aligned because this fender was damaged. There's a little bit of old Bond over there that we saw when we were painting it. So I'm still gonna align these. I just wanted to show you guys before it got dark. After these are done, we're gonna throw on the bumper, fender liners, secure this side skirt right here. We ended up not painting it. It's just the scratches are on the bottom and you won't really be able to see it. After everything is washed and clean, you won't even see anything over there. That'll probably be it for today. I'll still be working on those, but I'll catch you guys tomorrow when it gets a little lighter. All right, guys, a few days have passed, and today we're gonna complete the front end on this 370Z. And the interior actually did get 100% done as well. Let me show you guys. So I actually took the seats out so we can get everything underneath done. And check this out. Man, the camera quality is pretty bad here, but everything in here got cleaned out and it's looking brand new. Oh yeah, look at that. If you guys need a good detail and you're local here in the Sacramento area, make sure to hit up Igor. I will leave his information down below. He does an amazing job detailing interior. He does exterior as well, paint correction. And this is looking amazing. All that mold, everything is gone. Now I'm gonna pull the car out, put the seats back in, the interior basically completely done, and start assembling the front end. I'm gonna put on these little Z emblems on the side, put on the fender liners, put on our bumper, and then we got a package right here. We got a lip for the bumper. I really want to see how that's gonna look, so let's start working. All right, we got her outside. The seats are in. Check this out. The interior is 100% done. Everything's super clean. This thing's looking a lot better than it was before. Now let's get started on the inside. Sorry about the wind noise. There's a whole bunch of wind outside for no reason. But let's start on the front end. I'll start by putting the side skirt on good, throw on the fender liners, and then we're gonna throw on the bumper and the lip. Check this out, guys. We got the side skirt all secured. Everything's tight and good. I got the fender liner in, well, the back portion of the fender liner in, but I forgot to get our little emblem in. We got it right here. Kind of sucks. I'm gonna have to take the fender liner off or try to get that wiring somehow because it does connect. I guess these light up. It might be a turn signal or something. Let's try to get that wiring out, plug this in, and put the front fender liner on, go work on the other side. All right, guys, I got both the side emblems on, got that one on over there. It was pretty easy. I didn't have to take off the fender liner, and I got that side on as well. But I am missing the front portions of the fender liners. For whatever reason, I thought that I had them. I do have one, but it is ripped up. Let me show you guys. This is one of them. For whatever reason, it's all scraped up, so I'm gonna have to order a new one. This is the engine tray underneath, and we are missing one of the sides. There was just a whole bunch of plastics, and I thought that I had them, but I don't, so I'll have to order the two front portions, and I'll install those later. So for now, I'll get these little side trims on. They go somewhere over here by the fender like that. Not like that, but... And then over here as well. So I'm gonna get these two on. We're gonna throw on the bumper for now, throw on the lip, and then we'll do the fender liners later. Okay guys, check this out. The front bumper's on. Everything's looking perfect. All the gaps and everything lines up good. But check this out. That little piece of headlight that we're missing made a big old hole over here. I am not sure what I'm gonna do there. There's a little bit over here as well, but that's not as noticeable as this. This is like a straight up hole. And I really don't want to buy a new headlight because they're like $700-800 bucks. You're gonna spend $700-800 bucks just for that. And this is a cheap build. I mean, if it was like an expensive GTR or something, I would obviously change it. But this, it's probably just gonna be my drift car, and I don't think I'm gonna change that. Matter of fact, look at this side. There's a little piece missing over here too. Just the way the gaps go, you can really see it. I didn't think it would be that noticeable, but it is. Everything else is looking super nice. All these gaps line up perfectly. This gap over here is nice. I need to push the bumper just in a little bit and it'll be perfect. Now I'm gonna throw on the under tray underneath so it secures the bumper on the bottom. And then we're gonna open up the lip and see what that looks like. I got the under tray on, that's looking all good. The bumper's nice and tight on the bottom now. Now it's time to open this bad boy up and see what the lip looks like. Check this lip out, guys. This thing is pretty sick. I don't like those big bulky ones that cover up half of your bumper. This one kind of sits on the bottom and it's like kind of like a splitter, and then that goes on the bottom over there. I think it's gonna look pretty sick. We're gonna have to mount it up somehow over there, drill some screws and put it on, see how it looks. Check this out. This thing looks so sick. It transformed the whole front end of the car. Like, it looks so much better now. The bumper was so empty before without it, and look at it. And honestly, it fits so nice. Usually lips have like big gaps over here, or they don't fit nice on the edges, but look at this one. It fits really nice all around. Super easy to install, and this thing looks sick. Got the Z emblem on over here. That looks really nice. And we're basically done with the front end. We still have to put on the fender liners, little things here and there. Got a nice little hole over there. That is a wrap for today, guys. I want to give it a good wash, but it is a little late today, so I'll catch you guys tomorrow at the car wash. All right, we got it washed. It's all nice and clean. There's a lot more scratches around the body than I saw before when it was dirty, but it is what it is. It's not a brand new car. Let me show you guys a little more. All right, guys, that is a wrap for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for the next one. I'll still be doing a couple little things to it, and I will be revealing the price of what it cost me. It was super cheap. It was a budget build. I was trying to spend as minimum as possible on it, and actually turned out pretty cheap. I am looking for a new build, so there should be something new here pretty soon. If you guys haven't yet, make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn you guys post notifications on so you guys don't miss out on anything. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.